I told you your area? From here. Keep them there. Don't go way back. No bird wings. No bird wings, okay? Right. These are easy. And this is what we do our otea with. Now, I'm going to tell you, okay? When you're dancing, you should have e's in your hands, because flapping your hands with nothing is totally different than if you've got e's in your hands. So think about it, and next week I'll tell you some more interesting things, okay? Okay, so this goes. We're going to just do the hands to start with, and then we'll do the feet. We start. There's 4 different sets that come out. The first girl in the front of the line is going to salute. Only the first girl. And then it goes. This E is going to come to you. It's going to go 1, 2. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, and up. Make sure they come into you. Okay, so here we go. To you. Now 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and do it again. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, and up. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, and up. Right hand goes out, left comes behind your head. Remember not to take it back. Ami, Ami, roll, roll. That's the first set, okay? The feet go. The feet, the feet. The only part you Ami in this is the behind your head. Otherwise, it's walk, but don't walk same place. So it's going to go. Walk, 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 2, 3, 4, Ami, Ami, Ami. Walk, 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 2, 3, 4, Ami, Ami, Ami. Walk, 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 2, 3, 4, Ami, 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 Ready? And I'll move back. Okay, here we go.
Tipanie Otea.
One minute, excuse me. This is an entrance, so we're going to move. Right now we won't, but this is an entrance to get you onto the stage, okay? Okay.
Well, Kat, teach the male parts of this for me. Okay. Tipanie Otea, let moi.
I forgot to tell you though. This is 1 and 2. This is a dip. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you can all be Ami here, Ami there. Don't go so fast where it's going to completely throw you off. Work your Amis in. It's like walking. You're not going to be able to go gangbusters, okay? He's doing a 16 count toma. That is your audience. See that gentleman there, and Jennifer? They're your audience. All right. So you're going to do 8 Amis here. 1, turn all the way around, and face that front. There you go, okay? So 8 here, and then 8 all full, to turn and a quarter to face front, okay? Question.